If you want to do your own shipping method, you can set it up as well. We don't have a default shipping method as every client ships from different places to different clients. Based on a product, you can set it up the way you want to. So for instance, if you sell a fridge, the shipping is going to be way more than when you ship a couple of cookies or some snacks. So you can set it up. And the way you do that, you're going to go to settings here, shipping, and there you will see there's a vendor zone. No method add shipping method. So you can go edit and you can add shipping methods and you can select the state. So you can say, listen, I'm only going to ship to Eastern Cape. I'm not going to ship to the rest. But if you really want to, you can just go and select all of them based on that. But otherwise, it will just take South Africa into consideration. But I'm just going to choose everybody. And I can add a shipping method. Okay, so the method is a flat rate, a local pickup, or free shipping. Flat rate, I can do this and I can go and edit it. I'm going to call this Pudo. Now, I'm not going to worry about cost. I'm going to worry about shipping cost. A heavy Pudo will be 210 Rand. A light Pudo will be 110 Rand. And I save it. Now I can add another one, another flat rate. I'll edit it. I'll call this courier, door to door. Now this is going to be 350 Rand based on the item I have, and the light shipping cost will be 250 Rand because the courier fees is a bit different. You can use whatever courier you want to use. You can use the courier guy, whatever. You're going to get an order from the client based on this. And if you really want to, you can go add shipping method and you can say local pickup. You can edit it and you can call this collect at um, and you can save this. So you have these free options that I can use basically on that method. And that's the way you will do your shipping. So you will see underneath shipping, now you've got the vendor zone, Pudo, courier, door to door, and collect